You see, Sheikh Husaymin Rahimahullah was a great scholar from Saudi Arabia who passed away in the early 21st century. He was asked a question. Somebody told him that, Ya Sheikh, there is a hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if a person commits a sin not knowing about it, then will Allah forgive him? Because the Prophet said, not knowing something and committing a sin is a shield between the person and the hellfire. So will Allah forgive based upon this hadith? And he gave a beautiful reply. He said there is no denial to what the hadith means. But in our scenario, in the present scenario, if a Muslim is going to ask me this question, I am going to tell him Allah will give you double punishment. One punishment for not learning what was right and wrong, and the second punishment for committing a sin without knowing. There is a saying which says, not knowing the law and committing a crime is not an excuse for the crime. If you commit a crime and you say, I don't know the law, it's your problem. You should have learned the law. So as a Muslim, it was an obligation upon me to learn Islam before I learned A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But I didn't do that. And I didn't do it for the whole life. 60 years, 70 years, I commit a sin. Then I say I didn't know. So it's a shame on me then.